Hello everyone, so if you want to customize your home screen on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all, you are tap on the blank space of your menu, and now we've got our home screen, so to say, settings appeared, right? So first of all, let's go through the widgets. So select widgets. Now you can choose any widget what you like, for example, calculator. So hold it and you can drag it anywhere on the screen. For example, let's drag it here. Why not? All right. Now, as we got our screen, we can do a lot of things. So first of all, if you want to remove or rearrange any application or widget, so simply hold it. And here you'll get your remove. All right, now let's hold on our screen again. So here, directly from this menu, you can change your wallpapers. So open up your wallpapers, and here you'll see a huge list of it. So choose the one you like. For example, actually, I won't set anything now. However, I'm just letting you know that you have this option. All right. The last but not least, if you want to create a folder, simply grab any kind of application, for example, this Amazon, and simply pull it to another application. And here is your folder. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.